Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Prachivani, and today we will talk about service profit chain. So the quote mentioned here says, the new economics of service requires innovative measurement techniques. These techniques calibrate the impact of employee satisfaction, loyalty, and productivity on the value of products and services delivered so that managers can build customer satisfaction and loyalty and assesses the corresponding impact on profitability and growth. This quote is taken from an article written in 2008 by James L. Hesketh and his co-researchers in the issue of July and August 2008 of the Harvard Business Review. So before we proceed and understand what the service profit chain is, we have to also understand service leadership. It is very difficult for a firm to constantly achieve and maintain leadership in an industry if it lacks human leaders who can express a vision and help to bring in it. The focus in such case should be on setting the standards, getting the latest new technology, initiating new innovations, which will help companies to compete in the market and create outstanding workplace for employees. So a service leader offers services which are known for the superior value and quality and has marketing strategy that would beat the competition yet remain trustworthy in the market. The company should be seen as leader in operations in terms of processes and innovative technology. The most important part here is it should also be known as the best place to work, leading its industry in human resource management, which will help create loyal, productive, and customer oriented employees. So let me introduce you to the service profit chain. Hesketh and his co-researchers laid a series of hypothesized links in various service profit chain studies that they did. And those links are helping achieving success in service business. The themes and relationships underlying the service profit chain presents the mutual dependency among marketing, operations, and human resources. So it says that every department will have its own responsibility to perform, but effective coordination needs to happen along the way. If desired results are to be achieved, then strategic planning and the execution of the same must be done. So the service profit chain highlights the behavior required of service leaders in order to manage their organization effectively. So there are 8 links which are highlighted in service profit chain. The first one is customer loyalty drives profitability and growth. Customer satisfaction drives customer loyalty. Value drives customer satisfaction. So these first 3 links are related to customers and remaining 5 are related to the employees. So the fourth link here is employees productivity drives value. Employees loyalty drives productivity. Employee satisfaction drives loyalty. Internal quality drives employee satisfaction, and top management leadership underlies the chains and its success. So, putting the service profit chain to work. Let's begin with this. Now, when we talk about the service profit chain, we're talking about 3 major factors here. The first one is internal. Under this, we are talking about operating strategy and service delivery system. Here, the focus point is or are the employees who are working for an organization. Now, the loyalty of employees is going to help increase the productivity and output quality. The same is going to lead to have service quality and capability. This is going to lead us to the satisfaction of employees, which is again going to get us to the loyalty of the employees. So this is the cycle that we are referring to. Now this, an organization will be able to achieve only they make sure that the workplace design and job design is absolutely in sync with the policy and the vision of the company and indeed what employees are looking at. The selection and the development rewards and recognize the good work by employees, right information and communication all the time, and last but the most important factor here is to provide adequate tools to all the employees to serve customers. This is going to get revenue growth and profitability for a company. The second factor that we're talking about is service concept. Now the quality and productivity improvement will yield higher service quality and lower cost. So this is going to get us service value, which will help us to have satisfied customers and later loyal sets of them. So the third part here is external, where we're talking about the targeted market. So as I mentioned, service value is going to get us satisfied customers and loyal set of customers. This a company can achieve only by offering attractive value, services designed and delivered to meet targeted customers' need, lifetime value, retention and referral, and indeed the repeat business. So in short, when we talk about the service profit chain, we are referring to internal factors. The focus point here is employees. Then we are talking about service concept. And lastly, we are talking about external factor, which is the target market. These are all interlinked, as I mentioned, and this is going to give us growth in revenue and profitability. So as I mentioned, first three links are related to customers and last five are related to the employees. So when we talk about link 1 and 2, which says that the customer loyalty drives profitability and growth and customer satisfaction drives customer loyalty, here we are talking about focus, which is given on customers, and it includes an emphasis on identifying and understanding customer needs, investments to ensure customer retention, and a commitment to adopting new performance measures that will track such variables as satisfaction and loyalty amongst both customers and employees. Link 3 talks about value drives customer satisfaction. So here, link 3 focuses on the value for customers created by the service concept and highlights the need for investments to create higher service quality and productivity improvements to reduce the cost. Now, link 4 to 7, which are talking about employees. So the fourth link talks about employees productivity drives values, employees loyalty drives productivity, employee satisfaction drives loyalty, and internal quality drives employee satisfaction. This relates to employees and it includes spending time on the front line, investing in the development of promising managers, supporting the designs of jobs that offers greater latitude for employees. It also talks about a concept which says that paying higher wages decreases the labor cost after reduced turnover, higher productivity, and higher quality are taken into account. The last link is related to top management. Clearly, the implementation of the service profit chain requires a thorough understanding of how marketing, operations, and human resource each relate to a company's broader strategic concern. These are the references that I've used. Quiz time. I hope you have watched the video carefully. Quiz link is in the video description. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you for the next session.